Hey, today I'm going to do a quick little product review and show you how to hook this thing up. What I'm going to be going over is arguably the best water filtration system that you can get for an RV. This is the Clearsource Ultra. This is a heavy hitter. This thing protects water to a degree that most other water filtration systems cannot. It's a little bulkier than others. It comes with 3 canisters and it's got this heavy duty casing that is metal casing. This thing can withstand abuse if it needs to. So you've got these 3 canisters. The great thing about this is you only have to replace these canisters maybe once a year, and they're easy to remove. So there's a tool that comes with these, and this can easily pop these off, and you just drain the water out if you're going to relocate to a different location and you don't want to have water sloshing around, because every gallon of water weighs almost 8 pounds. So with that being said, I'll just show you. This has a female coupling on one side and a male on the other side. So I take 2 short pieces of hose and keep it kind of close to the RV. I still have my longer hoses just in case I have a longer stretch, but essentially this and 2 short hoses and you have all your water filtration needs covered. So I'm going to show you how to hook it up. So I have this kind of set back so it's not going to interfere with my tank dumping. It's not going to interfere with my electrical. I've got my water pressure regulator right here, the FlowMax. This thing is awesome. So I'm going to keep my water pressure regulator on. I'm going to take a female end of this short length of hose. And I'm going to take the male end, hook it into this end. Now I've got this other side. And when I hook this up, I'm going to hook the female end to this side over here. So once this is hooked up, what you want to do is put this end so it's either going on the grass or into a bucket or into the sewer inlet, and just turn the water on and let it run for about a minute, and that kind of charges this and clears out any sediment that might have settled in those filters. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm just going to hook it into my RV. Alright, something I want to say is that there's a common misconception that this filter will reduce your water pressure too much, but with this water pressure regulator that I have, it's called the FlowMax, this keeps your gallons per minute, so your flow rate, high. It safely reduces your pressure but keeps your flow high, so you don't lose the amount of water coming into the RV. And what I've noticed with hooking this up is that I still have a ton of pressure and water coming out of this, even going through water pressure regulator and this filter system. So that's not a problem. Now I'm going to hook it up. Okay, I like using these elbows here because it reduces the amount of time I potentially damage the threads of this piece here. So I'm going to hook this to my city water connection. Super simple like this. It's all hooked up. So I'm going to turn it on, and then I'm going to take you inside and I'm going to show you my water pressure. All right, we're back in the RV, and I'm going to do the only water pressure test that even matters: the shower while the toilet flushes. All right, this is my water pressure while having the water filtration system hooked up. Let's see what happens when the toilet flushes. Barely anything. I love it. I hope you found that helpful, and if there's anything else you'd like me to review, let me know, and I'll see what I can do.